Discover the meaning of hard belly in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might have puzzled many of you: hard belly. This phrase isn't about gym workouts or diet tips, but rather, it's a colorful expression used in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand what hard belly means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. When we first hear hard belly, it sounds like it could refer to someone's firm abdomen, possibly due to exercise or being in good shape. But in English, we often use phrases not only in their literal sense but also figuratively to convey more abstract meanings or emotions. That's what makes language both fun and frustrating to learn. So, hard belly isn't always a compliment about one's fitness level. As an idiom, hard belly can mean different things based on the cultural context. It's not a standard term in all English-speaking countries but can be found in certain regions or communities. In some Caribbean countries, for example, hard belly is used to describe someone who is unyielding or stubborn. It paints a picture of someone whose opinions or positions are as firm and immovable as a muscular abdomen. In some African American communities, hard belly might be used to signify toughness or resilience, often stemming from life's challenges. It reflects the strength and endurance required to face tough situations, implying that the person is as tough on the inside as a hard belly is on the outside. Let's look at how to use hard belly in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. Describing stubbornness. My grandfather has such a hard belly. He never changes his mind once it's made up. Expressing resilience. She has a hard belly for dealing with criticism at work and never takes it personally. Understanding idioms like hard belly requires more than just the words themselves. It requires cultural and contextual knowledge. When you come across unfamiliar phrases, looking at the situation and the speaker's background can provide clues to meaning. Remember, idioms are often regional. What makes sense in one English-speaking community may not be common in another, which is why asking questions and engaging in conversations can be so helpful. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, hard belly, and that you feel more confident using it in conversation. Language learning is an adventure with its own set of challenges, but knowing these little phrase quirks makes you a better and more natural speaker. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be a hard belly about trying new expressions. Happy learning!